In this video, I will show you how to install camera raw filter. So let's get started. Hey, what's up guys, MTI here. You can see this is the camera raw software, which version is 10.1, and today I will install and set up this software. Also, I will give you the software download link in the description box. At first, I am showing you my previous camera raw filter. See, the color is white. I will install the black color camera raw. In this camera raw, there are some options missing which will be available in the new camera raw. Okay, let's install it. For that, double click on it. Now click on install. It will take some seconds. Okay, the install is complete. Now I am again open my Photoshop apps and I will show you the changes. Import a picture, then go to filter and camera raw. Wow, this is the upgraded camera raw, which is looking better than the previous. There are many persons who does not like white color like me, so this video is for them. You can edit anything you want, play with it and discover new things. You can compare it with before from here. It is the before and after. Before after. Before after. Okay, now I am closing it. I hope you liked this video. If you can learn something from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.